Hi everyone, it's Shannalee here. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I thought I would do something I've never done before and decorate the calendar month of December. I have a lot of fun events coming up and some I want to share with you, so I'm going to put them in here and tell you all about it. I've been working in a planner for about 8 years and mostly I just use pen and paper, but every once in a while I like to get really creative and put a lot of stickers on it and make it look nice and pretty. The planner I'll be working with today is the Mom on the Go planner by In the Leafy Treetops. I've used a couple different planners over the years, but I keep coming back to this one because the artwork is just stunning. They have a religious version and a non-religious version. They have nice verses throughout. And what I love about this planner too is they actually have a whole section. Look at that beautiful reindeer. A Christmas planning section, and they've got different planning pages. This is great if you're doing a December daily. You can kind of write down a prompt or something you want to do each day of December. I was going through my stash and looking for whatever kind of festive stickers that I could find. This is the Erin Condren sticker book, designer sticker book edition 3, and they have this beautiful sheet of coordinating December sticker sheet. Before I begin decorating, I want to tell you about a December daily hop happening on December 12th, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's hosted annually by Susan Hiles in the December Daily Facebook group. I'll leave the details linked below. I also participated in the December Daily Hop last year where I showed my first day layout process video. This year's hop theme is working with interactive pages. I find interactive pages so fun. There's about 15 to 20 different people participating in this event, and all the links of their channels will be posted live. So mark it on your calendars, December 12th. YouTube hop if you're looking for inspiration for your December dailies. I actually have several events coming up in December and I want to document them all just so I can stay organized. Susan Hiles is hard at work. She has come up with so many different events in December of different things and different prompts that you can include in your December daily. So I'm participating in the hop and 3 other different prompts. So in total 4 different videos of different layouts that I'll be doing for my December daily. And that's just me. There's several other people that are going to be sharing throughout the month of December as well. It's going to be a fun month and I just have to keep organized. So that's why I thought I would put all the different events in this planner. Let's go ahead and start decorating. I thought it would be fun to use these circles to kind of make into little ornaments. So I have a video coming out on the 4th, and I already have the ornament here with the red Santa. I also have an event happening On the 12th, as you know, it is the hop. And it's all about interactive pages. The next event is on the 13th. And I have a couple Hey Santa stickers I thought I would put around. Well, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I really like how everything coordinates. I think if I add any more, it's just gonna feel too busy. I'm gonna go ahead and write all the events in. So the 12th is the YouTube hop. One of the prompts for Susan Hiles' Facebook group is Bling it on. So on the 4th, I'll be doing a YouTube video all about bling. It'll probably include some kind of shaker element, but I want to save all the surprises. So on the 13th, I'll be sharing another YouTube video. The next prompt will be about working with a specific color in your album. So I won't share what color I will be using, but I know a couple different ladies will be working with a couple different colors. The next video I will be doing, the prompt is Selfie Sunday. So I'll be sharing a December daily video all about a layout where I use a selfie. The pen I'm using is Ale Edwards Write on Anything. It's a fine tip pen and you literally can write on anything. And these stickers are quite kind of slick and slicky feeling, kind of plasticky, and they write on it very well. That's everything. I hope you like it. I just used what I had on hand. And as I said, this is my first ever Plan With Me video. And don't forget the YouTube hop on December 12th. It is a bunch of YouTube creators like me sharing videos on their interactive page ideas. I'm really excited about mine and I can't wait to share it with you. I think what I'll do is just add a bunch of arrows because I really want to highlight the importance of this fun event. I want to get as many people viewing these videos as possible. So if you do any kind of crafting or albums or scrapbooking or December daily or traveler's notebook over the month of December, do not forget this day. And I know last year we had a good turnout, so I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.